And that is why I've said on this podcast, we talk about creative ways for you to expand your portfolio. If you're a real estate investor and you really want to go beyond the more advanced strategies that you can be able to leverage when it comes to financing, taxes, this is the podcast to listen to. So, we talked about one, capital gains tax, one of the key areas of 1031 exchange. Number two, we talked about the ability to transfer your wealth. And number three, I kind of talked about it with number two, high performing assets. What does that look like? Well, the asset that you currently have that you have liquidated may not be performing the way that you want. Hence, I just said cash flow. You're not getting as much cash flow. Yes, you have the appreciation, but you want to maybe get into a bigger game. So you'll see this with a lot of things. That is why I said you will be surprised with all the creative ways that you can be able to leverage real estate. So this particular investor could want to, in my example, could want to liquidate the current asset that they have. They've owned it for a long time. They're not getting the cash flow that they would like to earn from it. They want to move into other asset classes that they may not be currently exercising right now. And so now they want to move into something different. And don't forget what we originally talked about in this case study is they're leveraging the ability of the DSCR loan, because the DSCR loan allows them to buy an asset that's based on the asset itself. But of course, they have to come with, money to the table, which hence the 1031 exchange. And it is a win-win for the investor. Understand, ladies and gentlemen, there are 100 ways to kill a cat. This is just an example for those who may have asked. Eyes got big when I did that example here, saying down payment of 136,000, and said, "Well, who has that?" There are plenty of people who have that money, and you'll be surprised with how many people who have who own and invest in real estate have owned it for a long period of time. They built out a lot of appreciation, and now they want to be able to leverage that appreciation to be able to go into another asset class. And that, my friend, is how you would pair, which is what this podcast is about, how you would pair the 1031 exchange with a DSCR investor loan.